Hi guys! Привет, ребята! Welcome to RUSSIMPLITY, and today we are going to learn and pronounce 21 words I was posting for a whole last week, and we will start from Monday word столица. 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 Stolica is a capital. You probably already know what Moscow is the capital of Russia, or you probably know from your English learning what London is the capital of Great Britain. So, how we are going to say it in Russian? Москва, столица России. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Москва, Москва, столица России. Moscow is the capital of Russia. And the second example, what you already know, London is the capital of Great Britain. So, London. London is London. London. Столица Великобритании. Великобритания. Great Britain is Великобритания. So, столица, столица, a capital. And we're going to learn next word, медведь. Медведь. Медведь is a bear. And we're going to examples. Is it true that every Russian has a bear at home? I think it's popular stereotype in several countries because a lot of friends have asked me about that for several times. No, we don't have a bear at home, and I probably know nobody who has. So, how am I going to say it in Russian? Правда ли? Is it true? Правда ли? Правда ли? What every Russian, что у каждого русского. What every Russian, что у каждого русского. Or you can say, что каждый русский. What, что, every, каждый. Russian, русский. So, what every Russian has a bear at home. A bear, медведь. It's a word what we're learning. At home, дома. Is it the true what every Russian has a bear at home? Правда ли, что у каждого русского дома есть медведь? Нет, это неправда. Next word, звезда. Звезда. A star. And we're going to have examples. В небе очень много звезд. There are a lot of stars in the sky. В небе очень много звезд. Небо, the sky. Звезда, star, a star. So, there are a lot of stars in the sky. Там очень много звезд в небе. Or in Russian you could say it, в небе очень много звезд. Or you can say a compliment for your girlfriend. For example, you can say ты моя звезда. So, how are you going to say it in Russian? Ты моя звезда. Or you say it, you are my star. Next word is приходить. It's a verb to come. To come, приходить. And the example, she didn't want to come. Yes, she didn't want to come. That's why we haven't seen her yesterday. So, как мы собираемся сказать это по-русски? Как мы собираемся сказать это по-русски? How we're going to say it in Russian? Она не хотела приходить. Она не хотела приходить. She didn't want to come. Next word. Now. Сейчас. Now. Сейчас. And the examples. Мы должны уйти прямо сейчас. We have to go now. Мы должны уйти. We have to go. Now. Сейчас. And the next example. И сейчас представь это очень быстро. And now. Imagine it very quickly. И сейчас представь это очень быстро. And now. И сейчас Представь, imagine, to imagine. Это очень быстро. Eat very quickly. Next word. Удача. Удача is a luck, a fortune. So, how are we going to say it? For example, if your friend is going to have a very difficult exam in the university and you want to wish him a lot of nice things and of course you want to wish him good luck, how are you going to say it in Russian? Yes. So, я желаю тебе удачи. I wish you a good luck. Very nice. The next word. Спрашивать. 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 To ask. And the examples. Я должен или должна. It depends if you are a girl or a boy or a woman or a man. So you could say, I have to ask about this thing, for example. Я должна спросить тебя об этом. I have to ask you about this thing. Я должна спросить тебя об этом. And the next example. She didn't want to ask. She didn't want to ask. Она не хотела спрашивать. Она не хотела спрашивать. She didn't want. Она не хотела. To ask. Спрашивать. And the next word. To work. Работать. Работать. Every of us probably have or had or will have one day a work. So you could say, I don't want to work now. Я не хочу сейчас работать. I don't want. Я не хочу. Я не хочу. Сейчас. You already know this word. Сейчас. Now. Работать. To work. And the next example. Она бы хотела работать в международной компании. Why not? It could be nice for her career, right? So, она не хотела. No, I'm sorry. Она бы хотела. Она бы хотела работать в международной компании. She would like. She would like. Она бы хотела. She would like to work for an international company. Она бы хотела работать в международной компании. Good work. So, next word, a year. Год. For example, every year we are celebrating New Year. So, how I'm going to say Happy New Year in Russian? С Новым годом. Или счастливого Нового года. С Новым годом it's kind of wishing a new year. Happy New Year, it's счастливого Нового года. Very well. Okay, so next word. Газета. Газета. Газета is newspaper. You probably don't remember when you took a newspaper somewhere for reading, because every of us probably read the news in internet. Anyway, I think this word is a little bit useful for us. And the examples. Он читает газету каждое утро. Он читает, he reads, газету, a newspaper, every morning, каждое утро. The next word, probably you already know this word. Да, да. Da is yes. And I think you don't need really examples for this word. If you want to say yes, you can say da in Russian. It's simple. You just can say da. And if you know my channel on Instagram, you already read this example for da. Do you need any examples with the word yes? I don't think so. Yeah, I really don't think so. But okay, I will translate. Do you need? Тебе нужны? Any examples? Какие-то примеры? With the word yes. Со словом «да». I don't think so. Я так не думаю. And I will repeat this example. Тебе нужны. Do you need? Any examples? Какие-нибудь примеры? With the word yes. Со словом «да». I don't think so. Я так не думаю.